Balik kami. Ano ba po kabalian ko? Kumusta kayo po? Ako'y Louis Seasoning, we're in Pampanga. Ngayon nga daw ngayon ni balik kami. Yaman na. Amazing. Matutula ako kasi grabe kalderera. Thank you so much, Crabs and Crabs. Ito kabalin, minsan pa tsaka salamat kay Pampanga. Sabi ko na din kaya kayo, balik kami. Nung ka rin kami balik kay Crabs and Crab. So actually, ini third time and balik kami talagang, balik kami nakadwa. Medyo maybe din kami. Ngayon, balik kami kakablo. Lalo nyo naman yung sinerve na kayo kami guys. So dahil salamat Crabs and Crab for being generous with us. This coming April, mag-open niyo po yung second branch the King Jumbo Jenra. So watch out for it. Make sure to like their fan page para po updated kayo ng ating promos or any upcoming announcements. Punta mamaya lang ipolyo get for free. So abayan nyo kami po Kenny. Tara mga tamo! Hindi pa lang at yung table tamo ngayon then nila yung awesome ng 1499 platter. So atin tamong Cajun, atin tamong salted egg, and then pangatlo is the chili garlic. So these are 1,499 each. Included kaya natin tamong 5 sets of rice, original iced tea. Again, good for 4 to 5 person, depending on your appetite, diba? Dati kasi balukutin nila ng unlimited crabs din pero they have upgraded chips. Or unlimited promo na ngayon is you get to choose any of these, pero 699 pesos kaya mo. Eat all you can until you drop. So, as long as you can eat, you can order, i-refill the pureta for only 699 pesos. That's gonna be a seafood delight escapade. So, included on each plate, tintamong crabs, at tintamong shrimp, tintamong mussels, at tintamong squid. Yan, so depende mo kaya anong nanuya yung flavor mo. Last time we were here, in order me is itang Mexican flavor. Buri kaya mong packet kaya yung mga nanula talaga ka-taba. Anyapin sabi ko kaya itang first video me, fattest crab I've ever seen. Kasi packet ko lang kaya kayo na, so aray yung sample. So ini yan. So ini mong pirasong ini, it's actually half of the small crab para king size na. Pero alam mo naman bana guys. So anyway, in everything there's a moderation, di ba? So depende naman kaya kayo nung mga nano ka-disiplina. So ting times na, of course, tita mo yung takaman mo, ma-satisfy na ka. Pero ito, just wanna show you guys how fat are the crabs here. So may itong pang babalikan ko kayo ni is yung karelang vinegar dip. Kung bala nung nanong atin Kenny, pero ang gusto niya ng til-til mo Kenny, siguradong mas dagdag niya pa kay nyaman ng lasa. So, nyaman Kenny kahit let's try squid. There you go. Nga pala, buri kayo sabihan nini. So, atin lang bala mong loyalty card. So, every purchase mo kitang 999 bucket da. they will give you this card and then ating yung sticker. On your 11th bucket, guys, the 11th will be free. So, for example, you dine here and may kadwa kayo, so they'll give you 2 stickers. And again, on the 11th, it's gonna be free. Few minutes later, hindi na itang aftermath na ni kaya kaming tables. Grabe yung miyagisa, natin pa talagang mintagan. Meron ko plate kasi talaga shareable up until siguro 4 to 5 person. Madakan na kayong mga ganyan eh. Sulit na sulit siya kareta talagang seafood hour and then big appetite for this kind of dishes. Go for unlimited. Wait, dakal-salamat po, mabsina naman. Dakal-salamat po uling tabayanan nyo kami kining video ngayon ni. Magpasalamat kami muna man kay Crabs and Crack for being very generous to us. And watch out for their grand opening for the second branch at Jenra Mall, Jumbo Jenra in Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. So, nung aburiya po yung video ngayon ni, make sure to share it with your friends. Mas manyaman mga po ang ating kang kayabe, kaluguran, diba? So, lalong-lalo na nung pamilya na rin abita mo. So, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching Here in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace!